I don't know what I'm doing. Can we go? I'm kind of trying to meet someone. He's hella cute. Wonder if Sawyer's just like, psych, my R1's back. Damn, this bike's dirty. Did some bird come into my garage and shit on it? Oh, shit. We're going. Oh my gosh. I had a gut feeling that you were going to have your bike.
Yeah. I rode her last night. She was done on Friday, but it was downpouring, so I got.
I kind of figured you were capping. Oh my gosh.
I had to keep it a little bit of a spoiler.
Dude, it looks so.
Oh my gosh, dude, it feels so fucking good to be back on it.
Oh my gosh. Poor lady. Or you just trade both these bikes in for one of those. Just trade both these bikes in for a limo. Let's do it. All right. Bet. Just like pull the 180 stoppy. I don't know where we're going. Well, I know where we're going. I just don't know where that is. It is. It's nice just being able to chat while riding, because otherwise you're just kind of sitting here with your own thoughts. My thoughts are really depressing. Sawyer? Oh, hey, he's got Ashley. I think that's Sawyer. Yep, that's Sawyer, and he's got Ashley with him. I kind of figured you'd be coming with.
Huh?
I kind of figured you'd be coming with. You need some help?
I know. Thank you. I saw you.
Yeah?
Yeah, we saw you turn at the light.
I figured you guys would be coming down that way. I just didn't know whether you guys would beat me here or not.
Nope.
Doesn't matter. I'm quick. Quick in more than one thing in life.
Fair.
Hi, buddy. Hi. Oh my gosh. You're so beautiful. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, you're so beautiful.
Yeah.
You got it all matching, bro. It looks good.
I know.
Yeah, the seat looks good.
I had to throw it on.
How's it feel, Ash? Huh?
That's a well done R1.
Does it feel better than the last one though?
Yeah, a little bit, but I mean, it's just so little.
Yeah, I can imagine. I mean, it's literally just going up your crack.
Yeah, like straight up.
Uh-huh.
So, I mean, like, yeah, but honestly, I don't really notice it much.
Yeah. Want to help me open this?
What?
Want to help me open this?
Yeah.
Let's see.
I don't know. Where can we put this? Like, I feel like we could all hold it as a group in front of it.
That's what I'm thinking. We could all get behind all the flowers and all that.
Looks good, Dylan. That's actually, yeah. Love it. Holy shit, yeah, wow. Yeah. Alright, everybody pile in. Oh, yeah.
Get skinny, guys.
Listen, I've been trying that my whole life. No, it's not worth it. Sorry if the wind noise is too much. My helmet doesn't do that good with wind noise. But, oh gosh, did I? Oh, oh, fuck. What was that? That was my ND filter. Shit. Well, you guys might be a little blind now. Ow! That back hurt! I'm just excited to be out on the bike again. I have not been on the bike. What was that, bungee cord? I don't know. Probably didn't even need to dodge it, but fuck it, it's fun. What the fuck? Oh shit, dude. Oh man. That was quite the smoke screen. Bro, I didn't wave at him. No! I didn't realize. No! Maybe I accidentally did wave at him because I put my hand down like that. Maybe I accidentally did. That's why I waved back. Imagine just taking a dirt, like in a supermoto, and just fucking ripping it through this field. Or just a dirt bike in general. And just absolutely fucking sending it. You get some air off of those things over there. Yeah! The first stoppie, let's go! It probably wasn't even that high, but fucking let's go, dude!
What we do here is go back, 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 back.